Abusuan sam watching Yamuaha. Yamuaju ebio Ghana television so any audience abomaden first time near we share the abomaden subscribe follow comment na share efa my say na bia bring anom your latest update no wonso wonsa ebetimi aka bi papa media amejeso today I remain your humble pilot Nana K Jesse Abrantie my kan ho na afi yemfa seda kase emfa ma ya boafo abrenya bi nyina mutimi eboye na chidom eye Glitz and Glow Cosmetics sanso na General Organic Foods and Kinaata Herbal Center busuyen yi wode ne se didie sranku papa ne ma apomuden hu hia nti ko ne kwaje apomuden hwehwe mu nyina efa free eye Kinaata Herbal Center for akache na the flight yedwumadi ahodo nyina woni tua se ensem se ne egum nti na abrenya bi nyina menu hia se ya na maka cho se fasten your seatbelt. Adaroma, my enani ye husima. Nafi yanko emra. Na ye ba ye busa se post influencer awards no. Hwan ena efa ye na mpo nipa wo wini ye no. Wo se de ba de ye ko basisi a.
Oh, doc. Yes, and you walk, doc. I want to know your day. No, that's why she after you turn your man. No, say the young kukru. So, your stomach was up, said the young husband, so I become. And then, crying, meaning, said, if you be forcing I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the moji.
Yeah, TD.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac, and a tinatet malake. Famano nano hobetono.
Malake, anything at Tomac. I'm on my free.
Tinaata Malake, eyema obi a wanya malaria fever. Na Tinaata Tomac mixture, eyema obi a wanya heartburn, indigestion, ena ne yem eye ne ya. Tinaata tedroi, FDA ahwehwe magia tum se eye.
Abusuan ahwefo ya sam makwa ba bion Ghana television eso enie audience abomoden subscribe follow comment na share efama se na bia abrenya nyina no abusuan no ase ebedore na abusuan afia mu ana chese post influencer awards no etimi share so ampanifo de share so enkonko wiase na chese abrante ba kon Wesley Kesse Wesley Kesse wono na ye de abasobode chenchidenche emma ne pa na we na chese Ghana TV enso eboban Kesse Hesi na ye busia ne se Wesley Kesse abasobode ahụ asemba yi na wo eka na Kesse ka se oh ono ankasa de na okre nyankopon anim nim abasobo de na nani empo na efisi o man Ghana mu no abenya abenya etimi sori wo bete yes we say me na metimi dressing very catchy we say me na metimi influence we say me na metimi yesi we say me na metimi yesi enti de kokoba ya ne se ne abasobo de yi etimi aba be ka mensa de ase bi me nka se me na meye na momo makansi fu a me no mo esi ya kan nyina no me de congratulations and a big time ma wo mu nyina se wo mo so next time no mutimi anyere wo mo ho na me nka se me na mata de fa na se me na me most influential person on earth na mum no wiase atade bia wo hye bia na ya kan hu ne se wo be hye to fit your body cut your coat according to your size say na Ghana television ye ne Wesley Kesse enko twetwe na ekọ ye twen kakra di gu homa so ye nko na so fo ni ene waso ko ne kokotie bi ye basisia.
Okay, guess who we have here? Like he's oozing the category he's won. Wesley. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You won the fashion influencer of the year. What does it mean to you?
It's actually a big deal for me. I mean, the fact that I get to be recognized in this field because it's not easy, you know, doing what you love doing and then people recognizing you and making sure they could give you the platform for you to be heard and to be seen. So for me to win this is a big deal for me. And it's like my first nomination in this category, yeah.
That's great. Is it difficult to look good or look in a certain way?
Well, they say some of them are born with it. I don't know if I was born with it or I learned it, but it just comes to me easily. It doesn't mean that it doesn't get difficult sometimes. It does, but, you know, we try to do our best.
Yeah. What do you say to the other nominees who didn't win?
Big congratulations to all of them. It wasn't easy. If you go through their pages, you understand how tough this whole category was. But for me to stand out as the #1 winner means a lot to me. So I just want to say congratulations to all of them. Keep doing you and keep being you. This is for us, not just for me.
Congratulations. But before we let you go, what would you say to influencers or the people that are listening to you right now, your favorite followers and what have you?
So if you love influencing, if you want to do it, go for it. Do not listen to the naysayers. Do not listen to the people that are saying you do not have the numbers. You need to start from somewhere. You don't just wake up and be an influencer. It starts from, it's like, you know, little drops of water make a mighty ocean. So just keep doing it and do it well. With time, you get the recognition, you get you get everything. I don't know what to say, but yeah. Just do you.
Oh, before we let you, give us some fashion tips like you you're looking nice.
You see that's the thing. I don't know what fashion tips to give you, but the whole thing is just know what your body type is and then put some things together nicely. That's it, basically.
All right, congratulations once again and have a lovely night.
You too.
That was Wesley Kesse was say e wiase de ye ne wo ho ebeto na tese no nwuma o pepper ene obi bese ehye kokuo mu ye de bese fridge man san e de asida kese na ebema ya boafo ene abenyina omtimi ye bo ye na chi do ma ya glitter and glow cosmetics ene general organic foods enti abusuyen wo de ne se didi ye srenku papa kona kwaju apom de hwehwemu na efa firi wo mo akache na bibia ntimi enkoso wano emfa ema wo subscribe nso na best say YouTube subscribe na afi follow your Facebook Instagram babia na eye J Ghana Television na afi ntimi ene wo eni kita ho na bibia ntimi enkoso kama kwati ase Midin ya meje so mede mosomfo nana K Jesse Abrante am dasida biom na ema wo so otime je bere ehwe ye asida biom so enko enfama me producer on duty admono poku search fucking back sanso na afia be fi ai woba papa bi oba won say da abusia bo modern subscribe follow comment na share efama ye I remain your humble pilot nana K Jesse Abrante. This is the flight ebre sem no mesi anu adi ehie mu macrao
me wa landing baby am wo ye Walthamstow wo we hie nkun yi bi so wo Manchester, wo Birmingham, wo Northampton, wo Southampton, Milton Keynes. Outside London baby wo contact me mami wusu anase Helena. Baby wo bia so far as I wo betua wo postage. Ye be postu e di abrel. Se wo ye kokko, se wo ye tuntum, wo ye ho ne ho. Kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita. Be enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi. Ana obi wo ha wasra I had enkum no odin no na ma ne kala no ne body na ye basa hydroqueen no asay kala no na se wunya glitter and glow na wo start beginning no ube hu se repair wo kala no ube ye kama ube ye kama say de mi gina hoy small girl hey enku no baby anya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi wa na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwe wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me kan landing for contact me baby a wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie 24 hours enti anytime bia wo pesa wo frame me numbers me enu nyina so a baby a wo bia de how bia wo ka kire me a me sort problem na ma glitter and glow na ye wi ani aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere edien esese kra de wache powder ye wo prekese powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe na brown anase Mr Santiago eba landing so a contact mami wusia Helena baby a wo bia no ye di bi bebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye glit and glow.